Hello guys, this is Sai Harikrishnan from the trendyblog.net, and in this video, let us check out the Fostex Dekoni Blue headphones and its range of accessories. So Dekoni headphones is a collaboration between Fostex and Dekoni, and here are some of the features of the headphones and specification. Now these are planar magnetic headphones that sound really good with your amps and your smartphones. So now taking a look at the headphone, you can see this headphone look big, but they're really comfortable, and here we have the input. Now talking about some cool accessories, here we have the Dekoni nuggets. So these nuggets stick to your headphones and it makes your listening experience more comfortable. Here are some of features of the nuggets, and you can see the foam is made of a very high quality material, and you can use them with your other headphones too. So overall these are really cool accessories that you should get. Next up we have the Dekoni earbuds. So Dekoni earbuds are known for their good comfort and sound quality. So these are the Mercury earbuds. We have in small, large and medium sizes. So we tried the small size and it was really good. We really enjoyed the sound isolation plus the snug fit and the sound that it gave through our IEM, so it was quite good. Next up we have the Dekoni audio headphone cleaner. With this you can clean your headphones. So you can just spray on your headphones and you can clean them. So that's pretty cool. You can see you can clean your PC, tablet, anything, etc. You also get a cool fiber cloth with it so that you can clean up your headphones. So this is the Dekoni bag. So this bag is really made of very high quality. Now here you can see it's written the headphones here from Dekoni Audio's total solution for when your headphones need to be on the go with you. It fits most model, including large headphones like Odyssey and Sennheisers. To the rear we have a strap wherein you can put in your strap and hold these headphones. So to the inside you can see we have a small pouch in which you can put up your cables, etc. So here is the strap that you can connect and take your headphones on the go with the bag. The headphone bag is quite spacious and you can easily keep your headphones and some cable and other accessories inside it. So you have a compartment here which you can take or you can just put in accordingly. Guys, if you're interested in purchasing any of the products, a link to same will be in the description from where you can go and buy the same. Thanks a lot for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, please click the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we upload a new video. We upload really cool reviews on gadgets. We upload vlogs, food videos, lifestyle and etc. Also check out our website which is www.thetrendyblog.net, in which we review a lot of consumer electronic products such as vacuums, keyboard, mouse, headphones, etc. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our blog. Thanks a lot for watching guys. This is Sai Harikrishnan signing off, and I'll catch you guys soon in my next video.